Hey everyone, it's Microwave Sam. I'll show you how to use Filezilla with Amazon EC2. First thing you want to do is you want to open up your web browser and go to Amazon Web Services website, which is aws.amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description. So once you're on the site, you can create a free account if you don't already have one already. Click on this orange create a free account button. You can sign in and leave your email address, select I am a new user, and AWS will send you an email to create your new account. But I'll just go ahead and sign in. Click on AWS Management Console, and I'll sign in with my username and password. So you'll be brought to the Amazon Management Console at the top right. You can select your location, and I'll select US East because I live on the East Coast. On the left side, you want to click on EC2, which is what we'll be using, EC2 virtual servers on the cloud. You want to click on running instances so you can create a new instance. Once you're on this dashboard page, you want to click on the blue button called Launch Instance. It'll bring you to a series of steps to launch your instance. First step is to choose an AMI. We'll choose Ubuntu server for this specific instance. Then you can choose an instance type, but I'll leave that by default and choose the free tier. Click on Next. On the third step, you can also leave this by default and click on Next to add storage. Storage should be fine, so leave that by default and click on Next. Then you come up across Tag Instance, which is also fine. At the security group settings, you want to create a new security group. I'll call it Filezilla, and I'll leave the description as Filezilla. We want to add a couple of different rules. We want to add a rule for HTTP because I'm assuming that we're going to create a website for this server. And we're going to add HTTPS and a custom TCP rule with the port range 8080. So these four rules are the rules that you want. You want the SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, and a custom TCP rule. The port ranges are 22, 80, 443, and 8080. Then you can click on Next, and you can launch your instance with the blue button. You want to create a new key pair. So we're going to name this key pair Filezilla. These key pairs are used for SSHing with a key. And you must download your key pair. So download that key pair. You can only download it once and save it someplace safe. Then save. After you save the PEM file, you can launch